Yes.
Yeah.
Om Shanti, Swamiji. You say me sometimes to be in silence. Why is it important to be in silence, please?
Om Shanti Martinji. Silence is important because when you are silent, when you close your eyes, you look yourself, you look inside. And when you are talking, when you open your eyes, you waste your 80% energy for nothing. Same energy you can use for your inner growth, for earning money, or for your lovers, for your family. So our energy is very important that where you spend it. If you spend unnecessary, evening you will be tired. And when you will be tired, you can't meditate, you can't know that who you are and for what you have got this human birth. What is very precious. Only human can become the God. This much power we have. If you meditate, if you know, and if you become enlightened in this life, for next life, you have the choice. You can choose your parents, that which parents you want. And if you don't want to take the birth, you don't take the birth, you return to your real home, the universe. So if you want to know that what I am doing is right or wrong, if you want to know all the truth, what is related with your life, then your life will be more easy. Then you will not get stressed. You will not get worried. You will live your life as a celebration. So your every moment, every second will be like Christmas, like Eid, like Deepavali.
And you say also to be alone is the same. It's
Yeah.
important also
Because
to be
you
alone.
can be silenced only when you are alone. So as much important is lover, same that much important is aloneness also. Because when you are alone, you know yourself. When you are with others, you know about others, but you know only the outside things, not the inside things. Even knowing the inside things from the others, first you must know inside you.